Lwa miamwela kuzoa kwa mazimwangala abulozi YWCA kayona kinako hape lumitisizanga litukisoza Makande Mwa Silozi milu kakenela fela mwalitoho zapanga Makande. Balekisi kwa mandanga BAKUPA KULUKISEZWA TULIMBALIMBA fa MUSIKA WABONA. YWCA MONGU INYAZA KUITUSISA BAANA mwali politics. APVAZ IKUPILE MAPOKOLA KUBATISISA MASWANISO ya BAANA BABAIPATILE kwa LIFATEHO. Ni Makande kakutala mubali kina Mike Moya. Balekisi fa MUSIKA wa MANDANGA mwasibakasaka mbule mwasikilitisa MONGU BAKUPILE KULUKISEZWA TULIMBALIMBA fa MUSIKA WABONA. Balekisi bataluselize Bulozi TV kuli MUSIKA wa MANDANGA kiuli mumu wa MISIKA yetu na mwasikiliti mi auswaneli kubeleka kusinamu yaho wa makete. Batalusize kuli kutoka tulimbalimba kuzieza ahulu li business zabona. Zeon halili chalo bomwina spula fa MUSIKA wo bo kapalu kamiji bafile bupaki kwa litabaze mi bafitize kupo kwa muso ni batusi babamo kufatuso ya masherengi ya kulukisa tulimbalimba to twinzi mu maemo asiyo hande.
Market traders in Mandanga market have raised sanitation concerns with regards to the lack of ablutions in one of the biggest markets in MONGU. They say it is difficult for them to carry out their daily operations in the market without ablutions.
Mateleti akuna mwa market ya unamo uyokupanga kwa maneba wama mundongo kona konseli kutusela unaba market kwa utusela kuboshaloni nibona mazazi ake banyikwa
kuyakula mo silwazile bakuli matoleti yakuna moma maketule kisakuti mutu ni mai balekisa mo yokimula kumsali bona ya kwa matoleti kwa kuliosha makwatini hukuma ukopana kwatini ni mao kali bakalangi bakutoka matoleti kifande twale lukapila twani.
The market traders are appealing to the relevant authorities to address this situation swiftly and improve the living conditions of the market.
Wanafama toilet fa haruna matoilet fa ruziele ile nebo kukena kibutu kuwa mambo aruzibiko luka matela matela mwale kubogudu ni mwana mazi abakia uya mateli mwale bali tukwacha fuku mana balata kwa uruleli je luka pila chwani.
Meanwhile, the market chairman has confirmed the sanitation challenges in the market and has told Bulozi TV News that the available ablutions are in a dilapidated state and require rehabilitation.
Fane lunana kulimwendi mali kulize pili zetalu zizesata kwa pata kulikambe kwako na onge tupene kuli matweleti yale akone kubeleka lukupa ni kubona bamuso lukupa ni bona bamuso kulikambe babe nikonelo kamba mane bakone kulutusa kwa teni kama shenga kule masherenyi kona alokataza sichaba samusika wa mandanga siziele fuku inzisi chawa sisi kona kwa na 5,000 6,000 kuli kuine kusinama toilet ipeto kibutata.
Market traders are hoping that ablutions will be rehabilitated so that sanitation in the market can be improved. Nchumunya Siaminwe, Bulozi TV News, MONGU, Western Province.
Katengo ka Young Women's Christian Association YWCA kabukusani mwabulozi kabonsize pilailo kwa mana nilitabaza kuitusa banana mwabwipapati. Baongaongi bakatengo ka mwabulozi bo David Limbuwa batalusize kuli kubeya banana mwalitabaza ali politics kubatiseza sabo mane ni kukona kuholofazwa kibabamu balikopano. Batalusize kwa Bulozi TV kuli kezo ye ilwani sayona Children's Code Act. Manzu ya atile asamulaho wa MASWANISO ya potolohile famoya kubonsa mwanana yo mwinyani inge afitsa manzu ya utwala kuli kia kubonsa kuyema ni baipapati kuyemela sibaka sasikongo mwandu ya milao mwasikiriti sasikongo.
As the dates for the general elections are steadily approaching, political players are widely engaging with residents. In a recent engagement between an aspiring candidate for Skongo parliamentary seat and the residents, a video has circulated on social media showing a miner standing in front of a crowd, giving political remarks.
Pane matava number 1 pane maskata kame nenda kutubabule so mayingwana na nyana balata uli ahuru kame nyomuru kambe na shimba bodaskati kambe na bawinisa na luli na seka so men kambe na ni pigita ni bodaskati kame na mivote abo mayungo.
The Young Women's Christian Association in Western Province has since condemned this practice, saying it subjects children to severe anxiety and that it violates the Children Code Act.
Engaging children in politics, whether by coaching them or to recite political scripts like what we have seen in the video, I think for us as YWCA, it raises profound and serious concern and also implications, especially under the child safeguarding frameworks. We see a form of abuse, which is emotional abuse, especially towards the child. Before they can even have a sense of emotional maturity to process such things, it causes anxiety, severe anxiety to the child and a loss of their sense of safety. Using a child to score political points like what we have seen initially violates the rights of the child and also the right to be free from adult conflicts. It exposes this particular child to digital and real world dangers. Because imagine the remarks are directed to a political component, which means that even the safeguarding of that particular child is compromised. You never know what that child might face in the near future, because we see the child being subjected even to issues of cyberbullying and even threats of violence from either the other political players or even from strangers. We would like to call upon the Child Protection Unit under Zambia Police to investigate this issue and possibly even hold the people involved accountable.
Mike Moya, reporting for Bulozi TV News, Western Province.
Vene bavanga baipapati kuyemela MONGU Central mwandu ya milao bo Brian na Mutulo basepsizeta mahano yabona kuyema ni mutompe hagainde hichilema ni kutusa kopano yebusa kuketa mwapuso mwaliketsa tuna zetaha kwambola kwa security kwambola masikiriti sa MONGU ubona Mutulo bataluzize kuli ni habasikaketwa kuipapata basana nililato ni busepahali kwa kopano ya UPND mi bakababaza mutompe hagainde hichilema ni kopano kaufela bataluzize kuli mutompe hichilema utisize milao yetu size kuchimbula bwino bwasichaba mwana ha Zambia kwekeza kuli litabaze litokwa tuso ya sichaba mwa liketsa tuna zetaha.
Former United Party for National Development UPND MONGU Central Parliamentary aspiring candidate Brian Namutulo has become the latest party member to reaffirm his commitment to President Hakainde Hichilema and the UPND ahead of the August 13 general election. Despite not being adopted as the party's candidate for MONGU Central constituency, Namutulo says he remains loyal to the UPND and will actively campaign for President Hakainde Hichilema to help the party achieve its vote target.
As a former aspiring member of parliament for MONGU Central, I've returned to fully support Hakainde Hichilema's leadership. The resources, the capacity and the network I had assembled for my parliamentary ambition have been redirected, all of them, towards the presidential campaign, with a firm commitment to securing overwhelming support for the president in Western Province. That is what my goal is. As you would see, my vehicles are branded in that manner.
He says the president's policies have transformed the lives of many Zambians, making it important for party members to remain united and work towards securing victory in the forthcoming polls.
President Hakainde Hichilema has demonstrated that he is the right leader for Zambia. He has already put free education into law. To add it up, he has even put feeding program of our leaders. There are those who can, yes, we give you free education, but those who cannot go to school because they are hungry. Hakainde Hichilema has thought of that. Let us give them food. We're in the right trajectory Tonse, Alliance and PF are the one and the same. Let them not be lying to you. I know this is a Tonse Alliance, and you look at the foreign direct investment. Foreign direct investment has actually improved. Look at how many sectors are actually looking at Zambia. Zambia is one of the fastest growing economies. 7 million ikimuseweza ni file na. President ni file 5 million. China ndi mumwekeleza 2 million for him. That's why you see me everywhere. I've been to Nkema, I've been to Luena, I've been also to Mungu Central, Mungu East. I'm not going to Nalikwanda. I also go to Senanga and Nalolo.
Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MONGU, Western Province.
Katengo ka Anti-Political Violence Association of Zambia kafile pizo kwa mapokola kubatisa maswaniso aponsa bana babane babaipatile kwa LIFATEHO inge bafitisa manzu ya kunyefula ni kushendaula. Kwambola kwa Bulozi TV, bangoli bakatengo ka mwanaha wo Davison Zulu babonsize nongosi kwa mana ni maswaniso ya kufama mirakuli lipona hazoze chwalo likona utsame filifili sabo mane ni kunyefula kozo ni tamahano ya naha sihulu nako iye yali politics. Vozulu basuswelize mulao kubatisisa ni kuziba vatu babayinzi mwa maswaniso mo kutoloka kuli akuna mutu yaswanela kufitisa manzu ya stoyo kusabisa kapakutisa mifilifili.
Walusaka na wapolisi na mdelira sana. Tuwana uwesa ya jeje pati. Wamwete ya matiagasi, mkotwale kuna nuku.
Matiagasi, makaringaringo. Tulesa wamila pa polisi pa centro.
This has raised concerns from different people, among them Anti-Political Violence Association of Zambia, who has called on the Zambia Police Service to urgently investigate the matter. Speaking to Bulozi TV News in Lusaka, Anti-Political Violence Association of Zambia National Deputy Secretary General Davison Zulu said the association is deeply concerned by the circulation of the video, which allegedly features the men claiming they had been hired by opposition NRPUP member Kenneth Kamba. Mr. Zulu stressed that the allegations contained in the video should be thoroughly investigated and verified by law enforcement, warning that any threats of political violence have the potential to fuel fear, create division, and undermine Zambia's democratic process.
Demand the arrest and the identification of those thugs who were masked, claiming that they've been sent by Honorable Kennedy Kamba. Those people must be brought to book. We demand for the arrest of those people. The Inspector General of Police, sir, as an association, we need peace during and after the general elections.
The association further called on political parties and their supporters to reject violence and adhere to the Electoral Code of Conduct, saying political competition should be based on policies and ideas rather than intimidation or threats. The association reaffirms that Zambia has a long-standing reputation as a peaceful nation and appeals to all stakeholders to work together to preserve peace, stability, and democratic values before, during, and after the 2026 general elections.
We call upon all stakeholders to come on board and partner with us so that we can denounce this act of political violence. We don't want political violence in Zambia.
Margaret Chota, Bulozi TV News in Lusaka.
Lukaishu musa ainyanimi haluka kuta lukazera pili matukuso ya luna.
They once built a machine, Chipo.
What machine, Shikulu?
A machine for borrowing. Let me show you. In the beginning, it looked like progress. Borrow a little, build a little. A road here, a clinic there. But the machine was always hungry. Each loan bigger than the last. $3 billion. In money we do not print. They were told to stop. They fed it more. In November 2020, the machine broke.
So it stayed broken?
Not forever, Chipo. But it did not fix itself. Someone had to walk back into that room.
Voting is one of the few moments where we all have a voice.
One person, one vote.
No titles, no status.
Just a choice.
It's not about doing nothing.
It's about showing up.
Because your vote matters.
It's easy.
It's important.
It's ours.
Count me in.
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 Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in MONGU of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and tropes, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921. Or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Mbuyuwana compound off Kagrava Road in MONGU. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Vochazi babasifumu bo Kelvin Chisanga batalusize kuli bwino bwa business mwana ha Zambia bwinzi hande mwana koye ya bwipapati. Vochisanga baize liluko la tourism linanika lulo ya kubonsa likeza halo haiba kuna nseo siezala. Kono nakoe iyekeza kutuswa kina ha Zambia kuzibahala kakozo bali business babamu ni haba kashengisa kuzamaya kwa bona kufita asamulaho waliketsa vaikelize kutalusa kuli kutalima kwa pata pona halo ibona hala kutabisa liketsa za kozo kutusiwa kimilao ya business nyana kweza hande likatise za sepo ya bali business kuchimbula yona tourism trade ni kuhula kwa liluko la bali business zeichemezi.
Obviously, we understand pretty very well that the tourism importation as well as business atmosphere has given a quite important atmosphere that we should be able to underscore. Despite having political campaign period, which naturally bring about uncertainty to the economy, but at the current level, Zambia has continued to demonstrate some high level of resiliency models where the business environment has remained quite stable, and this is quite encouraging for both the local and foreign investment. If you are to look at particularizing sector such as tourism sector is usually the first to feel the effect of political development. While some tourist and conference organizers may have postponed their visit not until we go through with the electoral process, but obviously at a point Zambia's reputation in terms of having a peaceful election and also a peaceful destination continues to support the framework in the sector.
Muso usepsizeta mahano kwa kubonsayo na Africa Continental Free Trade Area kutalusa kuli wona muso wekelize kutisamilao yelela kuchimbula li business mwanaha Zambia kwambola kwa mukiti wa kukwalula mkopano wali tuto zayona Africa Continent Free Trade Area mwa Lusaka bang'oli babahulu mwali lukola commerce trade and industry bolilien bwali abatalusize kuli ilimu yalikaze konsizwe kiona Zambia's provisional tariff schedule.
This collaboration reflects our shared commitment to ensuring that the private sector is well equipped to take advantage of the opportunities presented under the African Continental Free Trade Area, as well as other trading arrangements. The AFCFTA, which is our focus for this training, is a transformative initiative that is redefining Africa's economic future by creating a single continental market. We know that there are 1.3 billion people, but there could be more. Some may not be counted. With estimated combined gross domestic products exceeding 3.4 trillion. The agreement presents unprecedented opportunities for trade, industrialization, investment, and economic growth.
It is a testament to our shared responsibility and commitment to strengthen the Zambian private sector in terms of their participation on the African continent. Ladies and gentlemen, as Zambia's Apple Store, ZACI places strong emphasis on knowledge sharing and capacity building, particularly for small and medium enterprises.
These are a cornerstone of Zambia's economic. You will know better than myself. They create employment, reduce poverty, promote entrepreneurship, support industrialization, and contribute to the economic diversification of the Zambian economy. It's strengthening SMEs through improved access to finance, better infrastructure, skills development, and regional market opportunities such as the tripartite free trade area and the YWCA can enhance their contribution to sustainable economic growth and national development.
Babuhi baluna likandelale likoni kulufitsa kwa mafelelezo atukuso ya luna miluka ikupuza hape litoho zenepanga makande. Balekisi kwa mandanga bakupa KULUKISEZWA tulimbalimba fa MUSIKA WABONA. YWCA MONGU INYAZA KUITUSISA BANANA mali politics. APVAZ IKUPILE MAPOKOLA KUBATISISA MASWANISO ya BAANA BABAIPATILE kwa LIFATEHO. Lwitumezi mwakona kubuhatu kusoye nilitukuso za lunaka ufela fa TopStar Channel 120 mwali bakaze sina MONGU, Limulunga Nalolo, Lusaka, Chongwe, Chilanga, libakaze mu Mwasenanga, Kalabo, Rufusa Mane nilibaka zenzi mabapa. Kapa mwakona kulufumana falikepela luna la Bulozi TV fa Facebook. Fa pila bomanjinela kina Mike Moya Kozo.